Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can add echo to your audio in CapCut PC. So let's just get an audio real quick here. It took longer than this, by the way. I had to... Okay, I think it's like a voiceover from one... Whatever, we'll just use it. So select your audio, Then go to voice changer and go to voice filters, and you're just going to find echo, which is here. It is a free one, so just select it. It took longer than this, by the way. I had to place it in the right area. And you can adjust the quantity here and also the strength here as well. It took longer than this, by the way. I had to... And that is how you can add in like an echo effect to your audio in CapCut PC. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!